Hello, everyone. I'm Sukanya Righosh, editor of Manufacturing Automation magazine. 2022 has been an interesting year for the Canadian manufacturing industry. By the first quarter, pandemic restrictions were lifted all around, allowing businesses to get back to pre pandemic operation mode. The manufacturing industry was on a positive growth trajectory until the middle of 2022. However, with continued supply chain pressures, the negative impact of the Ukraine Russia war, rising costs, and high inflation, the latter half of 2022 saw the Canadian manufacturing industry navigating troubled waters. While the industry has been resilient, 2023 will be the year to watch out for. On a positive note, removal of COVID-19 travel restrictions allowed the industry to get back to in person events for some much needed face to face interactions and networking. Besides the Automate Show and IMTS in the US, closer home, 15 German companies came together to host the successful German Technology Days in Toronto and Montreal. Attendees and exhibitors at the events revealed that while the footfall is not back to pre pandemic levels, conversations are more meaningful and targeted at establishing long term relationships. Exhibitors shared that their customers are looking for automation solutions that help them tackle pressing issues such as labor force shortages and parts shortages due to supply chain constraints. The focus is on custom solutions instead of traditional automation systems. The ask for automation tools for data collection and data analytics is also on the rise. These trends are likely to continue as we look forward to 2023 and beyond. The interest in virtual events has not died down or faded away this year despite the return of in person events. Our annual Future of Automation event in September was very well received by the audience. It covered key industry topics such as strengthening the supply chain with advanced technologies, human machine collaboration, trends in robotics, and smart approach to automation. In 2022, we also saw a couple of major acquisitions in the world of automation. Zebra Technologies acquired Quebec based Matrix Imaging in June. In July, Accenture announced its intention to acquire Cambridge, Ontario based Eclipse Automation. Investment in Canadian manufacturing is always welcome. With the help of federal and provincial funding, General Motors retooled its CAMI assembly plant in Ingersoll, Ontario to open the doors to its first full scale electric vehicle manufacturing facility in Canada. The new assembly equipment includes more than 257 new robotic fixtures and 13 new autonomous guided vehicles to move parts from the body shop to the general assembly area. The largest robot at CAMI is Godzilla, which has a lifting capacity of 1700 kilograms. It is the people that drive the success of any industry. To celebrate young and upcoming leaders, this year, Manufacturing Automation launched its inaugural Top 10 Under 40 program. Our winners, featured in the May June issue, are truly committed to driving innovation and taking the industry forward into a brighter future. Congratulations to all of them for their incredible work ethic. This year, we also introduced the Systems Integrator of the Year award. Congratulations to the winner Systematics for building a 20-year mutually beneficial partnership of trust and respect with its customer Leggett and Platt Automotive. Check out the cover story of our November-December issue for more details. On behalf of the team here at Manufacturing Automation, thank you for your continued support of our efforts to bring you the latest updates on automation technologies and trends shaping the industry. Happy holidays, and we wish you all the best in the new year.